Here's something I see constantly in my clinic. Cancer patients fight through chemo, fight through radiation, beat the tumor, and then all their energy goes into watching their cancer markers, terrified of recurrence. And in the middle of all that vigilance, they completely miss a quietly injured bystander, their heart. Do you ever feel random palpitations after treatment, sudden chest tightness, can't sleep no matter how tired you are, get winded just walking up the stairs? You go get checked and the cardiologist says nothing is seriously wrong, but something clearly isn't right. Today, I want to show you exactly where that invisible wound is coming from. In classical Chinese medicine, the heart is called the sovereign official, the ruler of the entire body's qi and blood. Every other organ answers to it. Now think of chemotherapy and radiation as an all-out war to eliminate rebel forces, the cancer cells. The war works. The rebels are defeated. The tumor is controlled. But war is never clean. The treasury gets emptied, supply lines get burned. The kingdom's resources, qi, blood, yin, get consumed fighting the battle. And when the war is finally over, the sovereign is left sitting on the throne, utterly exhausted. No reserves, no nourishment. The kingdom won, but the king is running on empty. In modern terms, this is why your heart is misfiring after cancer treatment. The condition in TCM is called dual deficiency of qi and yin. The fuel that keeps your heart steady and calm has been depleted. I had a patient, I'll call her Ms. Zhang. She'd come through breast cancer treatment beautifully. Tumor gone, markers clean, but she was anxious all the time. Heart racing, couldn't settle. She came in crying, asking me, "Doctor, is the cancer coming back?" I took her pulse and told her what I'm seeing isn't cancer. It's what happens when chemotherapy's fire burns away, not just the weeds, but all the moisture in the soil. Think of your heart as a plant. The treatment scorched the garden, got rid of the invasive growth, but also dried out everything around it. In TCM, we call this qi and yin deficiency. Without moisture and nourishment, the plant can't sit still and root properly. It trembles, it struggles. What we need now isn't more attacks. We need to restore what was lost to bring the moisture back to the soil. So don't let your heart keep suffering in silence. Fighting cancer is the offensive strategy. Protecting your heart is the defense, and you need both to win the long game. Have you experienced palpitations or insomnia after treatment? Drop your symptoms in the comments. I'll do my best to respond. Next episode, I'm giving you 2 specific at-home techniques to start rebuilding your heart's reserves. Like and subscribe so you don't miss it. See you then.